What is up, everybody? It's Life's Apprentice, and look what I am doing. Oh my god. I'm back in the dumpster truck. It has been so long since I've been in the dumpster truck with Laura. I think the last time I was in the dumpster truck is when I was training her. And since then, she's pretty much been running it. I have ran dumpsters, but by myself. She and Chelsea have pretty much been taking care of it recently. And so we just dropped my truck off for an oil change. And we're going to go run a few dumpsters. But first, seeing as Laura likes to run over nails, she just stopped and look at what I found right underneath her tire. Yeah, I just saved a tire's life. But we're going to go run some dumpsters. Hopefully you guys notice a little difference here. But I told myself when I got 1,000 subscribers, I was going to buy a new camera and a microphone and all that kind of stuff. And I finally did it. So thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I'm working on monetizing the channel right now, and the sky is the limit from here. So I appreciate that. The problem is most of you people watching are not subscribed. So you guys should really consider subscribing. It would help us out. We've already reached the 1,000 milestone, but there's 70-some% of you people are not subscribed. So hit the like button, subscribe. We're going to go run some dumpsters, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So this is the only way I can show you the camera without another camera, but here is our new camera. I really splurged on this one. I spent $143, so just for that, you guys got to subscribe. You got the little 10-yard on here, and we're about to go set this 10-yard. What do you think, Laura?
I'm ready.
It's getting cold out.
It is not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
What's the truck say? It's been like in the 40s every morning.
Your door's open. But
Yeah.
it's supposed to be 80 by the end of the day. It's 59 right now, and it's 9:21 in the morning.
Brr, it feels cold.
The air conditioning.
Yeah. That's probably it. Oh, hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad with the microphone here. But we got Laura in the truck here, about to set this little cute 10-yard for this little roof. Looks like some shingles blew off. Probably certainties, architecturals. Out in the country, I don't know if I should show you, but we're at a town hall or township. Whoa! I taught her that move. Oh, doesn't that make you feel strong? It's like always the 10-yard that does this too. You need to grease the wheels. Look at that. Just pull that dumpster right off. If anyone says anything about the scratches, it wasn't us.
Done, so.
No, you're not.
Why am I not done?
You forgot
Forgot what?
something.
What?
I'm telling you, you forgot. Think about it. Forgot something. You better do it now before it might break something.
What did I forget? Right. I can't do that at the next one.
Yeah, but you should do it now before you forget. Otherwise, you're gonna pull a dumpster up and you're gonna be like, ah, shit.
No, I always do it.
You gotta
when
flip your thingies.
Oh my goodness. On a normal day, I flip the thingies at the next pickup. But since he's here, I had to flip the thingies right now.
All right, well, Laura is out moving a dumpster. We're at a house that we've probably brought 5 or 6 dumpsters to. So we're just doing the guy a favor and moving the dumpster for him. He's remodeling and adding on to a house, and he has bought a lot of dumpsters from us. But I just got a phone call. I usually don't have the Greenhead phone, so if you guys call the Greenhead phone, I'm usually not there. But I just got a call from a nice lady in Georgia, and she watches the YouTube channel and had some questions, and I was just happened to be here to answer them. But if you guys do call the Greenhead phone, most likely you're going to get one of the girls. and you're not going to talk to me. But it is nice hearing from you guys, and it's nice to know that people are watching and learning and actually starting these businesses just based on what I've put out for content. It's kind of flattering. I don't know, do you guys think? I know there's other dumpster people out there, or what they say they're dumpster people. I'm not going to name any names. But they're out doing consulting and writing books and, you know, how to create $1 million dumpster business. I'm not in this for money. I would like to get a little bit of return on my time for the YouTube videos, but I really like to put this kind of stuff out there for free and help people. And these people are trying to nickel and dime you with their e-books and their bull crap, and I don't think I want to do that. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Is that something you would like to see? I mean, do you want to fly me out to you to consult your dumpster business? I mean, I would do it, but I don't think that's something I really want to get into. I guess leave a comment if that's something you would like. I may be interested in doing it, but not just all the time. I run multiple businesses, and I don't really have time for that. Nor do I really have that much interest in it. I'd rather just do it the way that we are doing it. And if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments. I try to answer every single comment, and it might take me a day to get back to you, but I will definitely answer your questions. And if you do call, I mean, obviously my phone number's out there. You can look it up on Google, or you can just look on the side of the dumpster or our shirts or whatever. If you do call, the girls will be happy to talk to you. They will absolutely answer any of your questions to the best of their ability. If I'm near the phone, I'll be happy to talk to you. But I have a phone for my other business that rings off the hook constantly. And so I don't really want two phones. No. How'd that go, Laura?
Fine.
That guy was pretty particular, huh?
He is, but that's okay.
He's done a lot of business with us this summer. We've had a dumpster sitting there since frickin' May, haven't we?
Something like that. I think
Yeah.
I've taken him 3 new ones.
I took him. I dropped and redropped, or picked up and redropped one for him too on a Saturday, I think, like a month ago.
Yeah.
What do you want to tell the people out there? Can women run a roll-off dumpster business?
Yes.
Oh, huh. There's a guy out there making videos about it, and he doesn't have women running his roll-off dumpsters, so what in the hell would he know? Ah! You know who you are. I hope you're watching. Can women run roll-offs?
Yes. 100%.
Can women back up trailers?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Of course women can run roll-off dumpsters. So I just picked up a 15-yard for some rougers. Laura thought they were creepy. I just thought they were rougers. I don't know. But kind of a tough little driveway. And she got her. So we're going to run this to the dump, and I don't know what we're going to do after that. We'll find out. Oh, here we're going. We're going through the old fast pass lane. Yeah, I turned it on this time. I don't know if the audio is a little bit different. I keep forgetting to turn the microphone on, so hopefully this works. This is kind of new for me. But we're going through the quick lane. The girls kind of explained this the other day, but basically this is only for commercial trucks.
It's for the big boys.
Yeah, this is just going to help make us more efficient. So now,
Hi, 15-yard. Thank you.
so we got this little dealy-do here, which links.
Good catch.
It links with their system, and since we're a commercial business, we can use this line. Nobody else can use this other than like the main trash trucks, like the big name people in cities and townships. 5,100 pounds, $114.
That's a big
The
load.
price per ton has gone down though because of fuel. But it's just made us, well, hang on. I'm upside down. It's just made us more efficient. It's just one of the steps that we had to go through to basically just become more efficient as a company. There's many times, and if you watch some of my past videos, I had to wait in that other line with all the normal human beings. And it can get kind of frustrating sometimes. Some days there's no line, some days there's a huge line. It really just depends. But now we essentially don't really have to wait in line. At worst, you'd have to wait behind a couple of trash trucks. But yeah, so just one way that we've made ourselves a little bit more efficient. I mean, over a course of a year, that's going to save us fuel and time, labor, just frustration. It's going to make us more efficient, where if we have to wait in line some days, that extra hour that you maybe wait in line costs you a pickup, you know, where you could get 5 in a day or 4 in a day, and instead you do 3. So we're going to get this bad boy dumped. I was close. I guess 6,000 pounds. It's 5,100. But we got shingles in here, so it's heavy. All right, Laura, bring your own in.
So where, 4?
Yeah, I'll go to 4.
Looks like we have no choice. Oh, he dumped it right there.
That's because it goes to the side. That'll go to the side.
See how many nails I can get today.
We got proof, too. We got cameras this time. I want you to get out with a broom and sweep it all the way.
You think they'd have a sweeper? That would
They
go
do.
Through.
But they only do it like once a year.
Well, that's not efficient.
Bring it on back. I don't know if you can see, but there's a pile on this side. Looks like you're gonna hit. I'd stop right about there. Ooh. It's not me. You're fine. Why don't you just dump it right there? That's what I would have done. Not good enough for Laura. Nope, she's gonna run some shit over though. Oh, there's a nail. There's a nail. Look at all them nails. That guy just dumped a whole load of metal. This is the kind of stuff you gotta go through. And you can see nail, nail. Look at that, that's like all metal. That's not supposed to be here. What kind of junk's in this trunk? There's no junk in the trunk. TV. See, we aren't the only ones. We aren't the only ones. Look at what these waste management guys do. Computer, computer, TV, computer, and the rest is all metal. So, if you get a little bit of stuff in your dumpster, don't feel bad. It happens to everybody. Pretty normal. Look over here. Microwave. More computers. It happens to everybody. You just put nails down where you're going to back up next time, and you're going to run over your own nail.
You were the one that wanted me to dump closer, so I would have done it even worse.
Oh, God. My fault.
Look what I got him to do.
I'm not happy about it.
He's driving! All because I had to go potty and he got gas.
Diesel.
Diesel.
I should have put gas in it.
No. I got him to drive. How does it feel being a dumpster truck driver?
Oh, you know, I don't know, it's nice. My dumpster's dump. That's cool.
Do you have to crank anything? Besides the music.
No. Pretty nice.
It just rolls off.
It rolls off. Well, ideally, yeah. You guys seem to like to put them in grass all the time, so.
You don't gotta worry about it.
Yeah, I do.
No.
One of these days, you guys are gonna get stuck.
No.
Like that one on that one place where you guys sent me. I made a video about it, and it was out in the middle of their like back 40.
Oh, that's right.
Oh my God, I about puked when I picked that one up. I thought I was gonna get stuck, and then it weighed about 17 billion pounds.
Oh yeah, we gotta tell our friends what time it is. Snack time.
Yeah, I mean,
Snack time. That's why I got 2.
Oh, they're good.
They are good. These are cheesy spuds.
Well, what is up? We are done running dumpsters today. We got done about noon, and then Laura and Chelsea had some other commitments that they had to deal with. But I have a surprise for you guys. So this is my truck here, and I just had the oil changed. It was due. When you have multiple trucks, it seems like one's always in the shop for something. I don't do it myself. I hire it out. We got a couple good mechanics that we have work on, but needed to get an oil change in this bad boy. But here is the surprise. Look at this. Brand spanking new 9'2" Boss DXT stainless steel double trip edge, brand spanking new. LED lights, super heavy duty. This is definitely the biggest plow I think you can really put on a 3/4 or 1 ton truck. I know they make 10-footers, but I don't think they're road legal unless you have like a dump truck or something a little bit wider. But this thing is freaking badass. And so we're getting ready for snow. I mean, the leaves are changing around here. Leaves are starting to fall. It's starting to get a lot colder at night. And I don't know where you guys live, but we start getting snow in October on regular. And today is October the 9th or 10th. So we could be getting snow just about any single day now. And we've been down into the 30s at night. And it's time to start thinking about that kind of stuff. I don't know where you guys live or how much snow you get or if you guys are in the snow business. But that's something I haven't really showed since I've had a decent amount of subscribers. I made some snow removal videos last year. And, you know, I didn't have very many subscribers, so I didn't get a whole lot of views. But I'll definitely be making some this year. I don't know, it's kind of interesting, but in our business, we are extremely diversified. Whether the dumpsters, roofing, lawn care, snow removal, you name it. I mean, we do it. And diversifying your business based on seasons is essential for us. We don't want to be roofing when it's 20 below. And when that snow falls on the ground, somebody's got to go clean it up. And we like doing that. So, I don't know. I just thought I'd show you guys that. If you guys want to see like a tour of all my snow removal equipment and stuff like that, I've never really shown it all. But we get pretty heavy into snow removal. And we got all of our bids out right now. We're getting signed contracts back and bidding new projects and stuff like that. We do some pretty big accounts. But if you want to see a video like that, let me know. Once snow plowing season gets into full swing, I'll definitely be making some videos. But I don't know. Let me know how this video looks and sounds. Is it any better or worse than what I normally do? This is all on the new camera. And hopefully it's a little bit better for you guys. I know this camera is definitely a little bit more awkward than like the GoPro style. But if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. We will see you on the next one.